Okay, I'm gonna be, I put this bike together just for a little show, and it's worth too much in pieces, so I'm gonna be selling the engine. It's complete with a generator, regulator, distributor. I put this nice chrome M74B on there. It's got a nice chrome bowl. Really nice engine, and it runs the nuts. Oh, give it a little throttle here. Runs really good. I haven't tuned the carburetor, really fuck with it. I just literally hot wired it and started it. Fires up first kick, pumps great oil. Really nice cases, heads, and cylinders. Engine has no ticking, knocking, nothing like that. It's a nice, tight, fresh motor. It came out of a running bike, and then I put it in this one and go in a different direction. So again, that shows you the bike starts right up. I don't have a throttle cable hooked up, so I gotta do it by